Hey guys, welcome to Delft Stack, and this is how to send a video more than 25 MB in Messenger. So guys, if you ever have a problem where Messenger limits on sending a video of a huge file, to bypass this, you can just simply use some third-party application. One application that we are going to use today will be the Google Drive. So guys, this will be available on the Google Play Store and App Store. So go ahead and make sure to download them. So here on the Google Drive, you can just simply go ahead and sign in into an account. And from here, right away, you should be able to see here the plus icon over here. So from here, you will see upload. So go ahead and tap on that to upload your video more than 25 MB. And once you have selected it, now, just simply tap on it, and from here, it will just ask you about the file and the location and the account, and just simply select upload at the top right corner. Now, guys, once it is done uploading, as you can see down below, you should be able to see it and tap on the three dots over here, and you will have manage access. And from here, go ahead and go for change, go for restricted, go for anyone with link, and you should be able to copy the link on the top right corner of the screen, and you just simply go to the messenger or to your friend, and from there, you should be able to send it to them without any worries, and they should be able to preview it out. And now, there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.